Hi guys, picking up on the video. We have a new renovated second bathroom, completely redone. And then you have the other bedroom here, bedroom number 3. So all bedrooms are great size. And then you have your living room again and dining room area. Don't mind my kitchen stuff in here. I got my open house set up. And then you have this gorgeous kitchen. Beautiful. And it has been completely redone. New cabinets, new appliances, new backsplash, new granite countertops. Looks like marble actually. And it's granite. And they got a huge backyard. Just lovely. Really big backyard. So if you have any questions, don't forget ask me. Thank you for watching.